Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So first, if you want to set up your Face Unlock, we're going to go over and open up settings. In the settings, you need to swipe down to security and privacy. And now we need to tap on device unlock. Here we tap on face and fingerprint unlock and we click on the face. Here we confirm that it's us and we enter the password. We're going to click add now right here, and we want to keep our face within this frame right here. So we're going to do it like this. And all we have to do is just look at the camera right here. And that's basically the whole process of setting up your Face ID. Now, of course, if I look at the camera, then it will unlock automatically. As you guys can see, I am not clicking anything, and I do have a password and also the fingerprint for this button right here, sorry, for this finger, so there's no way I would reach it. So this is the face unlock working. You guys can see the icon. Now I'll look at this and it automatically unlocks it. So it works, and that's how you guys can easily set this up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.